think twice before adding those sugary drinks and sodas to your grocery cart or ordering them at restaurants today. For years, we've known these beverages are high in calories. They can lead to diseases like diabetes. But could they also be causing hundreds of thousands of deaths per year? NewsNation's Elizabeth Prann joins us now. Elizabeth, these revelations coming from a new study just released. What else did we learn from it?
Yeah, this is some eye-popping results that we're seeing. This paper was published in Nature's Medicine, and it looked at data from 184 different countries, so it's not necessarily just the United States. And it's saying that these sugary drinks are contributing, of course, to type 2 diabetes, which we knew, and heart disease. But look at some of these numbers from 2020. It's much more than we thought. So 2.2 million new cases of diabetes linked to these sugary drinks, 1.2 million new cases of heart disease. And it looked at about 340,000 deaths worldwide from those diseases linked to those drinks. So what are we talking about? Like you said, if you're going to the grocery store, some soda, lemonade, those flavored coffee drinks, fruit punch, anything that has 50 calories per 8 ounces. And if you look at that label, added sugar. Markie?
Break it down for us, Elizabeth. I mean, what are we putting into our bodies when we crack open a can of soda or we pour the caramel flavoring into our morning coffee?
Yeah, or you just go to a restaurant and you get a fountain soda, right? You feel a little indulgent. But if you look at some of the data, so if you say maybe a Coke or a Pepsi, it's right around 12 ounces, 140 calories. But if you look at the 39 grams of added sugar, that's about 10 teaspoons. Or maybe just a Gatorade, it seems harmless, right? You don't get a diet, you get a regular. 16 ounces, 127 calories, about 26 grams of sugar. And it goes up with the different flavors. That's anywhere between 6 and 10 teaspoons of sugar. The World Health Organization says the daily intake for an adult should be less than 6 teaspoons of sugar. So who is most impacted when you look at some of the data from this study? It's typically fairly well-educated men in urban areas. And you might be wondering, why just these sugary drinks? Basically, your body gets bombarded by an insulin spike. It's liquid sugar, so that could lead to inflammation, high cholesterol, metabolic dysfunction. All of this over time can contribute to the diseases that we're talking about. You might be wondering at home, I want to live my life. So some doctors say just try to have one per week and minimize some of those risk factors.
Yeah,
Markie?
Not worth it for a cold Dr. Pepper, but linked to 340,000 deaths? I mean, that's crazy. Those numbers are just staggering, Elizabeth. Black coffee for me. I'll leave it there. Elizabeth Prann, thank you so much. Hey, everybody, we have more news for all Americans right now. Don't go anywhere. Thanks for watching, everybody. Go to joinnn.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. Also, don't forget to click that red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.